Hello, my name is Alina, and I'm the peer advisor for the Lurie Success Center for the incoming frosh this semester.
Hi guys, my name is Maritza, and I'm the peer advisor at the Lurie Success Center for transfer students.
We hope you all are doing good, and we just wanted to inform you all about some incoming workshops that are going to be happening this semester starting tomorrow. All of these workshops are aimed at just becoming better as college students all around, and we will be hosting them, your peer advisors, myself and Maritza. So we really hope that you all can join us and learn about how to be a better college student. We're going to have a variety of topics that we're going to be hosting, and Maritza's going to tell us a little bit more about that.
So our workshops are going to be centered on a variety of topics. So first off, we have tools for success. So how to be more organized this semester with organization, structure, things like time management to really be on top of your work this semester. And then we also have workshops on self-care. So you also need to take care of yourself as a college student. So we have a workshop on that. And so we hope to see you guys at our workshops this week. Thank you.